I am a hawk, flying above it all, seeing all the congregations of beings below, productive ants building hills and tunnels, bee colonies letting sweetness into the atmosphere, flocks of smaller birds migrating in sharp formations, humans making love under the stars. But where is my community? Sometimes I can't stand to see the joy in others that they can belong when I do not belong to anyone. I do not belong to anything but cold nights and biting winds, so I will fly up, 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 up until I am free floating in outer space, suffocating on craving.